Hello my friends, thank you for joining me for this short video. I want to share with you today that 2 days ago I did a gratitude workshop in Turkey, and what was cool for me that I felt like I'm not clinging in any results. My emotional state, it doesn't depend if the lecture will happen or will not happen, or if I will be like very good and sharp, or if I will be like mediocre and not sharp. Something in me was very very loose, and I know also that my marketing efforts weren't that good because I only posted it one day ago and I don't know anybody in here. But still I was ready for anything that will happen, and I didn't care, and it wasn't that important for me what the results will be. I'm just happy on the way that I did it. I created a poster in Canva, and then I wrote in like many Facebook group and in Couchsurfing, and that I prepared the plays and I prepared the presentations. I felt like I did like a strong effort, and I was just happy for my effort. So it was for me very very relieving. It's like there is no place kind of to fail. Of course I want to grow, I want to learn, I want to perform good, I want people to come because I want them also to enjoy this presentation, and to really get good to get like good things for their life. But I didn't cling on the results. So for me it was very freeing, and there is like a mantra for me that I'm all the time reminding myself. It's like 100% effort, like do my best, 0% expectations, like release the expectation. It doesn't depend on me after I did my best, but still have 100% hope. We want things to be like in the best way, in the optimistic way, and to optimize ourselves. So 100% work, 0% expectation, 100% hope. I hope I said it right. Again, I will repeat: 100% work, 0% expectation, 100% hope. Thank you for joining me, and you are accepted and loved exactly the way you are.